Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about the three important things which I have realized yesterday after appearing for the SBI JEE mains examination. Plus I am going to discuss about some changes also which I will make from now on in my preparation, and you can also use that because it will be helpful for you also. So I thought of making this video by only this thought. And before starting the video, I would like to update you about the Guidely PDF course in which they are providing the 50% discount on today and tomorrow. So if you are planning to buy their PDF or mock test, it is available for 50% discount for today and tomorrow. Plus by using my code, you will get extra 12% discount also. The link will be given in the description, plus the coupon code will be given in the description, so you can use that. Now I'm going to discuss about the things which I told you. So the first thing is that it is about quantitative aptitude. Before the SBI JEE mains examination, in every strategy video, you used to hear that first you should choose the questions which you are going to attempt in the quantitative aptitude, and you should start with approximation, like these type of simple questions, approximation, number series, these type of questions. You can start attempting the section. After that, try to search for an easy DI. There are going to be one DI which will be very easy. Okay, like it is going to be pre-level DI, and it used to be there till last year. So there will be one easy DI. You have to find that, you have to solve that. After that, there will be one moderate DI also. So you can attempt that. And after attempting the 2 DI, after securing 10 marks from the DI, then you can move to other sections like the quantitative aptitude, quantity 1, quantity 2 questions. And those questions will be like super easy. They will be level 1 questions. It used to be like that. But in yesterday's paper, we found that the quantity 1, quantity 2 questions were not easy. And second thing is that the DIs were not doable. If your maths is good, then you could attempt that. But if your maths is average like me, so like the maximum attempts of the average students are like 15 to 16. My attempts are 13 because my maths is not that up to the mark. So what happened is that after solving the 3 approximation and 3 number series questions, we were looking for the simple DI, and the problem was that there was no simple DI because everything was given in the 2 variables. So this was the problem. After that, when I saw the arithmetic questions are doable than the DIs. So the thing which I have realized is that now we can't make any jugaad to pass the mains examination. Earlier the students used to do like that we can skip some chapters and then we can pass the examination by relying on the DIs, that we will solve 2 to 3 DIs. Then we will solve quantity 1, quantity 2, data sufficiency, and the approximation questions in the clerk means examination, and we can easily score 20 to 25 marks. But this is not the scene anymore. Now we can't just rely on the DIs. Okay, so my suggestion to you is that try to focus on the arithmetic section also, plus try to make your DI more strong. Okay, try to solve some logical DIs and try to solve the DIs of PO mains level, because now the level is increasing. If you are preparing for clerk mains examination, then you should solve PO mains, because yesterday the level of examination was much above the mains level mock test of any company for clerk mains. Okay, so my suggestion to you is that you should solve PO mains mock test, and this is for quantitative aptitude. Plus, if you are not paying any heed to DIs, or you are not paying any heed to arithmetic, then you should start doing that and do not skip any question or any topic. The second thing was about general awareness. So in general awareness, we tend to like read the data, like we do not care much about the general awareness, and the students who read the detailed things, they scored like they scored good in the GA section. But if we rely on the top 300 or 400 questions or the like the weekly PDFs, then it is not going to be the same for us. Now we should start reading the detailed PDFs which are given on the daily basis. You can follow any source like AffairsCloud, any source. The questions which were asked yesterday, we like I had read every question, but the data which was asked, I did not read that because I did not pay any heed to the extra information which was given in the explanation. Okay, so every source is good for current affairs, but you should read the detailed things now. Any class, any teacher, any PDF course you can go for, but you should follow the detailed things. Now I am going to follow the detailed PDFs of AffairsCloud, like on daily basis also the detailed PDFs, plus monthly basis also the detailed PDFs, because they had covered everything. But after appearing for the examination, we say that the questions which we read did not come in the examination, but this is not the thing. Everything was there, but we were not paying any heed to the extra information. So now I have realized that we should start reading GA in more deep manner. Okay, so this was the second thing. Then the third thing is that what should be the next strategy to appear for the IBPS PO, SBI PO and IBPS clerk. So if SBI clerk has increased its level, then there are more chances that IBPS clerk level will also be increased because they follow the same pattern. So we should be ready for these surprises, and we should make our basics very strong, especially in quantitative aptitude. Okay, then the second thing is that we should give at least 10 to 15 mocks before the prelims examination of any particular examination. Okay, because mains preparation need more time than prelims. So you can pass the pre by giving the mock test only. If you are able to clear the prelims of like SBI clerk, RRB clerk, then you will easily clear the prelims of IBPS PO, SBI PO, IBPS clerk if you just give like 15 to 20 mocks before the prelims examination. So from now on, try to focus more on mains for these 2 months, because these 2 months are very crucial. So try to focus on the mains preparation. And the other important thing is that in 1 week, try to keep 1 day specially for the GA revision, so that in that day you can revise the previous month's general awareness and the previous 6 days general awareness in detailed manner. Okay, do not rely on the top 100 questions or like top 300, these type of questions. Try to read it in the detailed manner so that you can revise it again and again. And please try to follow only one source for general awareness and try to revise that again and again. Okay, do not keep looking for any other sources, because every source is good, but try to rely and try to revise the things again and again. So that is all. And if you have any suggestions for me, and if you have any suggestions, like if you have also thought about something, some changes which you are also going to make, then please kindly try to write that in the comment section. And from now on, do not focus on any results. Okay, do not wait for the SBI mains final results or anything. Start preparing for IBPS PO and SBI PO, because it is going to be there in the next month. We can expect the prelims of IBPS PO in the first week of November. So we don't have that much time. Give this 1 month to the mains preparation. Okay, if your prelims preparation is good, then give this 1 month to the mains preparation and try to cover the current affairs in a very good manner. So this is my suggestion to you. This is the same which I am going to do, plus the YouTube videos. Like there will be not much YouTube videos from now on, but I will keep updating you regarding the important things. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, then Please try to write something good in the comment section. And if your mains exam did not go well, then no need to worry, because there are many more fish in the sea. So that's all. Thank you for your time and all the best for the examinations. Thank you very much.